Hello everyone! We need to talk to you about something that is very important to us, and that is feedback. To make sure that we're providing you with the best Portuguese classes that we can, we need you to fill out today's class satisfaction form. You can fill those out after every lesson, and they only take about 10 seconds to complete. This will help us plan your classes better and make sure that you're seeing the right type of content in them. So let's take a look at it.
You can find today's class satisfaction form in every class invitation email, right at the bottom of it. If you click to see the details of your Google Meets class, you'll also find a link there. And your teachers can always provide you with the link to fill it out. All you have to do is type in your email. Don't worry. Your answers are completely confidential. Select what type of class you took, in person or online, private or in group. Then you just have to rate your experience from very good to, terrible. Finally, tell us who your teacher was. If you want, you can add any comments in this section.
So as you can see, it is very easy. Just 10 seconds and you're done with it. And let me tell you, those 10 seconds will make all the difference. Filling out today's class satisfaction form will help the school realize where our classes need to improve, as well as reassure us when the classes are actually enjoyable for students. And don't do it only when things aren't going smoothly. Positive feedback is important too. A simple 10-second form can help us see which things are working well and which things are not. And with a better understanding of your preferences, we can make classes better and more productive. But we need your feedback for that. So please make sure to complete today's class satisfaction form after every lesson and add comments whenever you have the time. This will help us see that we are making progress. Please help us make your classes and your experience learning Portuguese better. It only takes 10 seconds after all.